Unlock the secrets of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series before anyone else. Get the inside scoop on prices and specs that have slipped through the cracks. Don't wait for the launch. Discover the future of smartphones now. Dive into the realm of innovation with the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Experience the power, precision, and performance. Keep watching and be a part of the tech revolution. Samsung Galaxy S24 series, a sneak peek into the future. The tech world is abuzz with anticipation as Samsung prepares to unveil its flagship Galaxy S24 series at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17th. Leaks about the price and specs of the Galaxy S24 series have already started making rounds online, promising a new era of innovation and power. The Galaxy S24 series, comprising the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is set to redefine smartphone technology. The Snapdragon Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will feature the Samsung Exynos 2400 chipset in Germany and Europe, while the S24 Ultra will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in all markets. Galaxy S24 Compact Powerhouse. The Galaxy S24 is expected to sport a 6.2-inch Full HD plus Dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2, 340 pixels. The optics department may feature a triple camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 10MP telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. The device is expected to house a 4000 mAh battery, supporting 25W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. Galaxy S24 Plus, bigger and better. The Galaxy S24 Plus is likely to feature a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440x3, 120 pixels, and a refresh rate ranging between 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The smartphone may also come with a triple camera setup, including a 50MP primary sensor, a 10MP telephoto sensor, and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. The S24 Plus could house a 4900 mAh battery, supporting 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. Galaxy S24 Ultra, the ultimate smartphone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to sport a 6.8-inch QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3120 x 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The device will feature a quad-camera setup with a 200MP primary sensor with super quad pixel autofocus, OIS, and super clear lens, 2 telephoto lenses with a 50MP sensor supporting 5x optical, and a 10MP sensor supporting 3x optical zoom. Additionally, there is a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera sensor with a 120-degree field of view. The Galaxy S24 series is shaping up to be a game-changer in the smartphone market. Stay tuned for the official launch on January 17th to witness the future of smartphone technology unfold. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.